This shit's gonna be taken down in like 12 inches tonight. What's up? I'm not videotaping. Careless. But they don't have videos, they don't have video. Gotta get my rock coffee before the snowstorm. Has to be here, don't they? Yes, they do. It's kind of funny. He's so much standing on this side and he goes that side anyway. Oh, look who comes here, red car. That's fun. Whew. Today is 16th, 2020. Duncan right there. This is Duncan. What's up? Old Duncan since buddies. I always gotta make sure I see them, you know? I don't care. Alright. That's just for myself and for YouTube, so I'm not deleting this video. Con Ed, that's right, they're con men. They con you out of your money. To the computer. I saw one of those unmarked vans at this corner once, and the guy was in the front seat with a computer like that. It looked like he was running a license plate that was on the cover cop. Yep. It was, when I saw it, I was like, oh, that makes sense, you know, they're spying us on us that way. Oh, how much bigger it is. So much nicer than the old one.
No. You guys work harder than me. No. Thank you, pal. I don't mind. All right, thank you.
And so, you know, during the storm, they come out anyway. You see all the red and black, they come out anyway. You know, whatever. They come out, you come out. I had something to do earlier, so I didn't come out early. I was like, oh, storm is starting. I probably should go now to get coffee. I gotta get the large one, so I got enough for 2 days. But today, tomorrow, and Thursday. I always drink half when I have large. Half one day, half the next. Yeah, the last. So I'll be back again on Friday, of course, you know. But tomorrow I'll be chilling. Alright, I wanna show you the storm coming. Ciao.